When someone asks me what's my favorite festive mithai is, I always say these multicolored modak, perfect for Ganesh Puja. These are so adorable and easy to make. We will start by roasting our desiccated coconut and almond flour. Then we will add in condensed milk, cardamom powder and ghee and let this form a soft dough. Then we will divide it into 4 equal parts and add our flavors to it. Gulkand rose, coarsely crushed pistachios, soaked saffron, and we will leave 1 part plain, just with cardamom. Then we will grease our modak molds and add small bits of each flavor into the modak molds and press it gently to get this amazing multicolor effect. Garnish these with gold varak and sprinkles for such an elegant look, and you are ready to celebrate in style. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.